In the last decade, China has aggressively worked to upgrade its infrastructure along the 4,057 kilometers Indo-China border. This has been a major concern for India. Chinese army has even transgressed into Indian territory on multiple instances, and there have been several standoffs. Not only that, China has also undermined international tribunals' decision on South China Sea dispute, and continues to display bullying attitude towards its neighboring nations, be it Japan, Philippines or others. India has been lagging in military assets build-up in eastern region, but things are changing now, especially after BJP government coming to power in 2014 led by Prime Minister Modi. Let us check 5 major steps taken by India in recent times to strengthen its position in eastern region which borders China.
Number 5.
For better connectivity, Indian Air Force has landed the huge C-17 Globemaster III in Arunachal Pradesh. The landing is done at Strategic Advanced Landing Ground in Meshhuka, in West Siang district. It is only 29 kilometers from the Sino-Indian border, and being a forward base will be India's first line of defense against any Chinese military push. C-17 is one of the largest military cargo planes in the world. Its airlift capability facilitates critical requirement of transfer of men and material. It is designed to airdrop 102 paratroopers and their equipment. It can carry loads up to 77,500 kilograms. C-17 also has an excellent unrefueled range of 4,400 kilometers, enabling it to carry its load to long distances. The main takeaway is that India will have the ability to quickly send men and material to the forward base in case hostilities break out.
Number 4.
The Indian Air Force activated the advanced landing ground at Tooting, in Arunachal's Upper Siang district. It is the 6th such ALG to be made operational in Arunachal apart from the ones in eastern Ladakh, all with eyes firmly on China. ALG are not full-fledged air bases, but are equipped with critical infrastructure for landing and takeoff. These being smaller and discreet are harder to target. Activated advanced landing grounds in Ladakh are DBO, Nyoma and Fuch. In Arunachal are Pasayat, Meshhuka, Warlong, Along, Ziro and Tooting. ALGs will provide Indian Air Force with ability to disperse its fighter in case tensions escalate, and enable it to strike from different positions.
Number 3.
The Indian government has given the final go-ahead for the army to induct and deploy an advanced version of the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile to prop up its muscle along Indo-China border. As you may already know, BrahMos is the world's fastest cruise missile in operation, and travels at speeds of Mach 2.8 to 3.0. This BrahMos Block 3 variant can take a steep dive up to 75 degrees. It will be deployed in Arunachal Pradesh along the Indo-China border. The steep dive attack capability enables the missile to target enemy positions behind mountainous terrain. It is the only cruise missile in the world having the ability to steep dive at supersonic speeds. Also note that, this would be the longest range conventional weapon with the army. Generally armies of any country tend to only tackle 40 to 50 kilometers range. The BrahMos range will change the concept completely, as Indian Army will be among only few armies in the world that will have reach of 290 kilometers. Also note that India and Russia are working on doubling the range of BrahMos. To know more, check the video on above card.
Number 2.
New Mountain Strike Corps, with headquarters at Panagarh, West Bengal will be fully raised by 2021 with 90,274 soldiers. The Mountain Strike Corps has been specially raised to defend India's border with China. Apart from standard equipment, notable inclusions are as follows. 1. India is buying the 155mm M777 guns at a cost of about $750 million from America's B Systems to equip this corps. The gun uses mainly two types of shells: standard M107 projectile that can be fired up to 25 kilometers, and M982X caliber extended range guided artillery shell that can be fired up to 40 kilometers. 6 C-130J Super Hercules aircraft to be based at Panagar by mid-2017. Each of these can carry 64 airborne troops or 19,958 kilograms of equipment. 6 Akash surface-to-air missile squadrons being deployed in different locations in Northeast. Each squadron contains 4 launchers with 3 missiles each. Akash flies at supersonic speed, reaching around Mach 2.5. The indigenously developed missile has a range of 30 kilometers.
Number 1.
With Sukhoi 30 Mki fighters already operating from Tezpur and Chabu in Assam, the Indian Air Force has now finalized plans for the first 18 Rafales to be stationed at the Hasamara Air Base in Bengal from late 2019. The Hasamara Air Base currently has MiG-27 that will be retired over the next 2-3 years. A team from Dassault Aviation, maker of Rafale, has already visited Hasamara to review the maintenance and other infrastructure required there. Rafale is considered one of the most potent fighters in the world. With 14 India-specific requirements, including the capability for cold start from high-altitude regions, the Rafale packs quite a punch. It has the ability to carry 9 tons of weapons, and can simultaneously perform both air defense and ground attack missions. An important thing is that it can be used for nuke delivery as well.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting. Kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.